sides. So this one, it says, determine the paragraph is objective, limited, or omniscient. Drag and drop the correct type of point of view to each paragraph. So it won't let me drag, but I could definitely type on this one. So let's see. She walked along the street wondering if she had enough time to stop for a venti latte from Starbucks on the way to her next photo shoot. She was tired from staying up all night editing and knew a shot of caffeine was just the boost she needed to get through the session. Through the coffee shop window, the barista saw her pause and look through the window. He wondered who that beautiful girl he had never seen before was and hoped she stepped in the shop so he could get her number. Oh, okay, so I have a few different. So I have, she walked along the street wondering if she had enough time to stop for venti latte. So I have one character's thinking right here. But it's also being told from an outside narrator, because if it was first person, it would say, I walked along the street wondering if I had enough time. So I can tell it's a third person for sure. So she was tired from staying up all night and knew a shot of caffeine was the boost she needed to get through the session. And then we have the barista saw her pause and look through the window. And then it says right here, he wondered who that beautiful girl he had never seen before was. So now we've got his inner thoughts as well as hers. So knowing that it's two characters' thoughts and feelings and it's an outside narrator, this is definitely third person omniscient. Ta-da! Okay, so go ahead and you are reading 2 and 3 and you're going to figure out, okay, is this third person limited or third person objective? Because that's all we have left. By the way, objective means that you only get characters' actions. You don't actually get any of their inner thoughts and feelings. And then limited, is an outside narrator telling the story, but you only know one character's inner thoughts and feelings. Okay, you can pause my video to go ahead and figure out which one is which here. All right, once you've done that, this is our last one. So it says, write a short passage using the prompt in a third-person point of view of your choice. Highlight the clues that help the reader determine the type of third-person narration. Prompt, Sandra sat alone at the top of the Ferris wheel as it paused at the top. So basically, it's asking you now to write your own story using third-person point of view. You can either use limited or omniscient, and you're going to basically make sure that you have clues so the reader knows which point of view it is. So first you would write out the start of the prompt. Sandra sat alone at the top of the Ferris wheel. Oops. Okay. Now, I'm not going to help you with this. So as you are thinking about what you're going to write, as it paused at the top, we got to keep going. So again, if you're either figuring out if you want it to be third person limited or third person omniscient. So are we only going to know Sandra's thoughts and feelings, or are we going to know another character's in the story's thoughts or feelings? But you're going to have to continue the story your own. You can be as creative as you want with it. I just need to be able to tell what point of view you're using. Okay, so continue writing and finishing out this story. When you have done that, you're going to answer this exit ticket on the Pear Deck.